The question begins a few weeks back in Parliament, where I asked the Prime Minister a very specific set of questions. Question number one, 20,000 crore rupees or $3 billion are in shell companies owned by Mr. Adani. Mr. Adani could not have generated this money. He's an infrastructure business. Where did this money come from? Whose money is it? That was the first question. Whose shell companies are there? These companies are working in the defense field. Why does nobody know whose money this is? There is a Chinese national involved in this. Why is nobody asking the question, who is this Chinese national? That was the first question. Second question was, set of questions with proof. Were, what is the Prime Minister's relationship with Mr. Adani? I showed a picture of the Prime Minister and Mr. Adani's plane relaxing. I gave documentation about the defense industry, about the airports, about statements made in Sri Lanka, about statements made in Bangladesh, pictures of Mr. Narendra Modi sitting with the State Bank chairman in Australia. And I put this proof on the table. Immediately after that, the BJP started its work. After that, BJP ministers lied about me in Parliament. They made the statement to distract from the Adani issue. The whole game, disqualification, and all these statements are to distract from the central question, whose money is it? 20,000 crores, whose is it? Kiska hai ye? That's the main question. The whole thing is to distract. So, they said that I've asked foreign forces to help India. Most ridiculous statement. I have never made such a statement. You can look at all the conversations I had in the United Kingdom. Not one such statement was made. In fact, I said this is India's problem. India has to resolve this problem, right? मैं सच्चाई को देखता हूं. मुझे और किसी चीज में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. मैं सच्चाई बोलता हूं. राजनीति में ये फैशनेबल बात नहीं है, मगर ये बात मेरे खून में है. मैं और कोई रास्ता निकाल ही नहीं सकता हूं. तो मेरा काम यह है, यह मेरी तपस्या है, जीवन की तपस्या है, उसको मैं करता जाऊंगा. चाहे मुझे डिस्क्वालीफाई करें, मारे पीटे जेल में डाले, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मुझे अपनी तपस्या करनी है.